Good morning, guys. It's my special day, my birthday, and we're going to Windmill Farm in Pili, Rizal. I'm with my two older brothers and my beautiful niece, Claire. Say hi. It's my brother, my niece, my brother, and my nephew is coming. Okay, we're going to Windmill Farm, Rizal. Say hi, Brian. Brian, say hi. Claire. This is my favorite drinks. Lucky Day, Capico. So we're now in Marcos Highway. Claire, say hi. Shit. Awesome view.
Nag-rides kami dito dati.
Nice. Very nice.
Best friend.
Gaano ba kalayo ang Pilili Rizal, brother?
Anong minakyan niya?
Motor.
Ayan po. Ayan po. Nasa biyahe pa din kami.
Parating ka na pala rito.
Ayan si Brian, ang aking nephew gwapo. Andyan si brother, Marlon. Bakit
Sama ka na eh.
matawa dyan? Brother, ang aming driver, ang owner ng car. Ang ganda ng weather, nakikisama sa atin. Birthday ko raw kasi, kaya nakikisama.
Marilaki.
Nakikisama ang langit sa birthday ko, char. Happy birthday to me daw.
Ito yun, di ba?
Parang Baguio din, oh. Nakaka-amaze.
Naka-live ka pa dito?
Hindi ako naka-live. It's a sunny day. Nice weather. I think because the heaven knows that it's my birthday. Happy, 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 happy. My nephew and my niece. Very lovely. Yeah. Very, very lovely. Lovely day. Because it's my birthday. So it's sunny day. Char. See? Lovely, lovely, lovely. The sky is so blue.
Parang ganito rin yung tsura mula kanina, no?
It's a blue sky.
Pero nasa taas na tayo siguro.
Parang papunta rin tayo ng Baguio. But we're going to Pilili, Rizal. Mga tamad ang mga professor. Ang ganda ng trip mo, Brian, no? Naka-uniform ka. Sana nagdala ka wala lang t-shirt.
T-shirt ako.
Yehey! Yehey, yehey, yehey!
Press na press yung buko.
Wow, dayang buko.
Buko.
Yeah, you know, I'm from USA, char. Oh, 21 minutes na lang. Nasa Windmill Farm na tayo.
Kasi ano,
Ang sabi ng guide.
Makakadaw talaga po sa
We're near not so far now.
Hindi pa naka-activate.
Here's the windmill farm. There. Wow. Awesome. Very nice. Para tayo na sa Poland. See? Lovely. So perfect talaga pag summer. Wow. Welcome to Windmill Farm. Wow. Para tayo na sa Poland. This is the version in the Philippines. Wow, the sky is so blue. Lovely, lovely, lovely windmill. So nice. Very nice. I love the weather. Summer. Yeah, there's a lot of windmill here. Wow. Awesome. See? Amazing. This windmill farm is so nice. Perfect adventure for summertime.
Anong lugar to?
Windmill farm in Pililia, Rizal. Nice. Awesome. Okay guys, so we arrived here at Windmill Farm, Pililia, Rizal, and it's a windy day, and yeah, it's sunny day also. There you go, my brother and my niece and my nephew. Lovely day. We arrived here at Windmill Farm, Pililia, Rizal. Sunny summer. Wow. Yeah, I like the view here. So nice. It's summer and the best time to visit here and Wind Farm, Pililia, Rizal. So windy. Yeah, I love here. There you go. Wait, I'm still enjoying the nice view. Ito brother ko masyadong apurado. Nag-e-enjoy pa ako sa windmill eh. Kaya ng souvenir? Ako hindi pa.
Oo. Bili mo ako, di bili mo ako.
Marami kang pera, di ba? Wait lang, ang ganda. Parang Tagaytay. May windmill nga. Very nice. It's worth the energy and it's worth the gas. Because it's so nice here. So eto po yung kainan dito. Yeah. Dito kami magla-lunch.
Hindi ka naman si Cherry White eh.
Waiting for our order for lunch. Mommy. Si Gigi daw magpapaano mamaya, magpapaburger. Diba, Je? Ito po yung family circle ko. My niece, my nephew, my two older brothers. May Lakers pa siyang kapo. Nag-aantay po kami ng food.
Panaro pala yun.
Eto na yung desserts. Inaantay pa namin yung food namin. Ano ba yan? Langka ba yan? Brother, anong puno yan? Anong prutas yan? Langka ba yan? Akala ko durian. Order ko isang pitcher ng pure na fresh buko.
Anong pala isang picture?
Yeah. Kasi gusto ko ng pure. Ayan pala yung order. Yan ay order. Wow. This is my order. Kunin yung mga order nyo. Alam mo, gutom na kayo eh. Ayan. Thank you po.
Wait lang po yung isang special.
Yung isang special. Yung lomi mo.
Sa akin.
Ito ano?
Hindi.
Special na ba talaga?
Na. Mamimigay ako ng fresh buko. Kumusta yung lomi mo? Masarap? Kumusta dyan, Joy? Masarap yung kinakain mo?
Oo. Para saan tayo eh.
Ikaw, Brian, masarap kinakain mo. Masarap yung sabaw. Visitor Center. Okay. So what can we see here? We have souvenirs here. Souvenir area. So, bibili ako ng souvenir. 150 each. Siguro ang bibilhin ko yung keychain or I think I don't know, maybe glass mug, nuts. I'm thinking 3D bracelet. I think bracelet. Siguro. Or necklace. Hello. Souvenirs area. There's also a shoulder bag. I will get this keychain.
Ito na lang ito.
I like this keychain. And because it's also cheap. May alkansya pa siya. Pili kayo, alkansya.
Hindi sticker. Sticker ba?
Parang so these are the native delicacies from Rizal. Yema, pastillas, piaya, and there's also ube, uraro, assorted, 3 pieces for 100. Pili ka rito, Je, 3 pieces per 100. So, punta lang kayo dito sa Wind Farm, Pilili, Rizal.
Bigay ko sa'yo mamaya.
Marami kayong makikita dito at mabibili. Ay, maganda yung wallet niya, in fairness. Parang bet ko. Oh. Bilan ko si best friend ko kaya ng ganito. Pasalubong. If you're a fan of arts and paintings, yeah, you can buy paintings here. Nice. Pili na kayo. Je, anong gusto mo? Ayos ka. What if I buy mug? Very nice. So nice. Lovely, lovely. I love Pililia. My older brother, Junie. My other brother. Picture tayo dito sa El Pililia. Nice. It will be raining, I guess. Okay guys, punta lang kayo dito. It's so nice here. Just visit here. Yeah, I invite you guys to come here in Wind Farm, Pililia, Rizal. It's worth it. Yeah.
Doon na.
Guys, I recommend you to come here in Pililia, Rizal. It's drizzling. So nice here. It's worth the energy and it's worth the gas. So nice. Hindi na kailangan ng picture.
Iba post nga kita eh.
Ang mahalaga,
Magaling nga ako mag-picture.
nagbe-video ako. Hindi ko kailangan ng picture. Gusto ko ng vlog.
Mamalik na sa DP mo.
Hindi na.
Tara na. Pagbigyan mo na ako birthday mo.
Meron ding mga suka. Mga sukang maanghang. Vinegar. Vinegar and coin. What's this? Basta alkansya. It's an airplane. Souvenir. Hey. Firefly. Yeah, it's so nice here. You have to be here. You have to come here on a sunny day like this, especially on summertime like this. So nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, windmill. Okay guys, bye Windmill Farm. Till next time. Sunny day. Bye bye.